strong.
Good morning, dear students. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. Dear students, I hope you all are happy, healthy, fit, and fine. In our today's video, we are going to know about movement of lower creatures. So be ready and now know about different movements of different creatures. Number 1. Dogs. Dogs scamper. Dogs scamper. Dogs scamper. Number 2. Horses. Horses gallop. Horses gallop. Horses gallop. Number 3. Elephants. Elephants amble. Elephants amble. Elephants amble. Number 4. Cats. Cats stalk. Cats stalk. Cats stalk. Cats stalk. Number 5. Cows. Cows run. Cows run. Cows run. Number 6. Monkeys. Monkeys climb or jump. Monkeys climb or jump. Monkeys climb or jump. Number 7. Wolves. Wolves stalk. Wolves stalk. Wolves stalk. Number 8. Donkeys. Donkeys trot. Donkeys trot. Donkeys trot. Number 9. Cocks. Cocks strut. Cocks strut. Cocks strut. Cocks strut. Number 10. Ducks. Ducks waddle. Ducks waddle. Ducks waddle. Ducks waddle. So we have known about 10 different movements of 10 different creatures. I hope you all have understood these all 10 movements. We will meet again in a new video with a new and interesting topic. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a great day. Goodbye.